My work today is similar to yesterday, and that is changing over this plastic consumer unit with only one RCD. I'll be changing it over for dual RCD with SPD consumer unit, metal consumer unit. So I don't know what this is. The last time I was here for an AICR, I saw this cable. Obviously, I suspect this was used to test the current in the neutral, because this was like a current transformer, just attached to the neutral. I haven't quite seen it in the consumer unit before, but yeah, there's always a first. So today I'm going to be swapping it over, putting my new fuse box. The fuse box is a trade name now, it's product name, registered trademark. That's the generic name for all the consumer units. So I'll be swapping that over for a fuse box RCBO board. So we'll make it a little bit neater, tidier. The only problem I have is that there is quite very tight spacing in here. Very tight space, and the cables are short, judging by the one I changed yesterday. But I'm going to figure a way out, just like I did yesterday, but it wasn't an easy one. And then on top of that, we'll also be changing over this. I'll be changing over this light, this bathroom light. It would appear that it's okay for a bathroom, but actually, when I opened it up and tested it last time, I found out that the contacts are quite corroded, which means that moisture has been going into the contacts and corroding it. So I'll change it over for an IP rated one. Then also I'm going to swap over this old panel heater. You can see something that looks like it's burning, but I think it's just from maybe clothes hanging on top while it's hot, so it discolored the finish of the old one, and it's not working anymore. So I'll swap it over for this new Air Master wall panel. It's a very good one. I installed it last week somewhere for a client, and it's fantastic. I really like the form factor is very small, the heat output is and it's digital. So those are the things I'll be doing in this flat. I'll let you know as I get along. And again, like before, I'm not used to doing a video with one hand and I haven't got the kit to start mounting tripods and stuff like that. So a lot of my clients are asking, where are the videos of your work? The only thing I can do is to just give you updates as I go along. And again, let me put my face in the video so that you know it's me. I'm sure you don't like this face, but then you might try to like it. That's the current transformer, I suspect. That's it. So this place looks like warm of cables. I pray that there's enough loop in this. Oh, that cable is injured somewhere there. Just a little bit. Okay. Let's get onto it. Alright guys, I've now removed the old consumer unit. You can see the cables. This is the bonding cable because there's only electrics, so this is bonding to the water pipes. What I was trying to explain in my previous video, you see, this is a supply cable. This is obviously a 16 mil steel wire armored cable, but the funny thing is that it's got these stranded conductors, which is not encased in a double insulation. So the same thing for the neutral. You can see the neutral. So what I've done, like in the previous installation, was to get a big 16 mil sleeving, so heat shrink tubing, which I used to at least give it a double protection, give it double insulation. So I'm going to do the same thing here as well. I'll put on the sleeve and then use my heat gun to shrink it, so at least we have something that looks like a double insulated conductor, because these are the, as I was saying. So this is the supply cable, and that's a 16 mil steel wire armored cable. The earthing conductor that comes with it are these strands. Each one of them, it looks like a 4 mil each, so 4 times 4 is 16 mil. This one is 2.5 mil. 2.5 mil. This is the neutral tail. 2.5 mil times 7, which gives you 17.5, isn't it? 17.5. So it's a 16 mil neutral tail as well. So one of the things I'm going to do for this job is, because the neutral, the meter tail is longer than 3 meters, and there was no overcurrent protective device. No main switch with overcurrent protection at the point of isolation in the utility room, the other side, that's the riser. I'm going to fit in a 63 amps MCB, double pole MCB, to satisfy that requirement. So far so good. These cables look long enough, so I'm not going to struggle as much as last time. Anyway, I'll keep you updated.
Truth will break my heart too. Sing for me, even though your voice they crack. Oh. Dance with me, even if you're dancing off the beat. Take a chance.